Sriram's designs are self-textured and self-stitched.
पार्टिसिपेट किया था 5 मिनट 10 मिनट के लिए, लेकिन आज 2025 में इतना बड़ा इवेंट हो गया। एक बार जोरदार तालियां सिलेक्ट के लिए। उम्मीद है अगली बार ललित से भी आगे बढ़कर हम लोग बुर्ज खलीफा में करेंगे। क्या बात, बहुत खूबसूरत हो तुम, बोल सकता हूँ मैं?
Of course मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ।
अर्ज किया है इरशाद, बहुत खूबसूरत हो तुम, खुद को दुनिया की नजरों से बचाया करो। बहुत खूबसूरत हो तुम, खुद को दुनिया की नजरों से बचाया करो। आंखों में सिर्फ काजल ही नहीं काफी, गले में नींबू मिर्ची भी लटकाया करो, नजर ना लग जाए।
So this is Mohini Sharma, founder and national director of Mrs. India INC.
ये मिसेस इंडिया INC के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकती हैं कि ये कंपनी करती क्या है और किस तरीके से लोगों की
So Mrs. India INC जाना जाता है मैरिड वुमेन को प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए। We are 8 years old pageant. After Gladrax, Mrs. India INC has taken over the complete responsibility. We are associated with multiple international pageants like Mrs. Galaxy, Mrs. Globe, and we have also won lot of international titles for India in last 5 years. So this is the biggest achievement, and we claim that we have changed the concept of Mrs. Pageantry, the whole industry in India. So अभी जस्ट मैंने सस्मीरा का फैशन शो देखा। सस्मीरा has completed 75 years, which is a very glorious thing. And when an institute comes in with lot of experience, with lot of learning, I think बच्चों के लिए ना एक अपने आप पाथवे रेडी होता है। यहाँ पे बच्चों को सिर्फ चलना है, सीखना है। अभी जस्ट मैंने उनका फैशन शो देखा। मैं इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट्स में जाती हूँ, मैं काफ़ी वर्ल्ड घूम चुकी हूँ, बट द काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, द काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन दैट द स्टूडेंट्स हैव ब्रॉट अप ऑन दिस स्टेज is incredible, it's outstanding, and I'm really looking forward. In fact, I'm thinking if I could associate with the kids, I could give them some exposure, some platform through beauty pageant. That would be amazing.
Hi, this is Ramji Guladi. Sasrikal everyone. I'm a singer, composer and a music video director, and I'm here today for my brother Asim Singh and wishing all the students of Sasmira all the very best, as this is the finale on the Inshanti 2025. So like to wish everybody all the best.
association with Sasmira?
So I am Madhulika, and I am a graduate student of Sasmira. I've done my textile chemistry and fiber manufacturing somewhere in mid-80s, and then I did my fashion designing, and that is associated with Sasmira. Today's event, I've come as a jury here, and it's beautiful. I'm very, very amazed to see the collection. All collections are very, very beautiful, and and I have to select the best, and it's really challenging for me to select the best. Amazing collections. Bye.
Namaste, I am Vikita Shah, Associate Dean at SIDT. SIDT is a part of Sasmira Institute. Sasmira Institute has had a 75 years of glorious limelight in education, in research, in technology. I am very happy to be a part of SIDT. SIDT has been an institute which has degree programs in fashion and textiles. We have diploma programs also in fashion, in textiles. We have merchandising programs. So SIDT is basically an education institution giving knowledge to students since 2004, and SIDT has been come to existence since the last 5 years, and I'm very happy to be a part of this. Enchante 2025 is our graduating collection where the students, our 35 students, have been working since over last entire year, where they have been designing this entire process. They have been cultivating the new ideas. They have having different ideologies which they have been working on. And Enchante 2025 this year is on the theme Tattva. Tattva is the elements of nature which we are working on this year, and I'm very happy that the students have come up with excellent work that they have created, they have designed. There are textures which they have made themselves, and I'm so happy that the outcome has come out so good. Their hard work has really paid off, and I'm happy to have you showcase that today.
I'd like to introduce myself. I am president of Sasmira, a very eminent textile research and education college in Mumbai, the heart of Mumbai city. We are at Worli, headquartered, a beautiful building on Dr. A.B. Road, Annie Besant Road, almost 3 lakh square feet of area, having various labs, educational institutions and development centers including incubation. हे संस्था एवढी व्यवस्थित 75 वर्षापासून चालतं आहे की हे संस्थामधून कम से कम 50,000 मुलं पास होऊन इंडस्ट्रीच्या टॉपचे रँकिंगमध्ये बसले आहे आणि ते फार फार व्यवस्थित रिचून काम होते. आणि हे संस्थाच्या मी बी स्टुडंट होतो आणि हे संस्थाला मी जे काही देऊ शकतो, वी आर ट्राईंग आवर लेवल बेस. ही संस्था एकदम पुढे आणि वाढवून शकणार. आता CM साहेब बी आले होते, डेप्युटी CM साहेब बी आले होते आणि सगळ्याचे सपोर्ट आहे. थोडाजी बी आले होते, सगळ्याचा सपोर्ट आहे संस्था वाढवायच्या आणि संस्थाला पुढे घेऊन जायचं.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Ashok Tiwari and I am leading Sasmira as Director General. As you must be knowing, Sasmira is celebrating its 75th anniversary. Sasmira was established in 1950, and under the vertical of SIDT, we have organized this annual fashion show event Enchante 25. In fact, as a part of our 75th anniversary celebrations, we have got a lot of events lined up for the entire year, and Enchante 25 is a part of that. Through this event, the students get a lot of exposure for building their skill sets, which serves them a lot for choosing their career ahead and to get established in life. I wish all the students and the organizers grand success, and thank you all for joining us today, for being a part of this event. Thank you so much.
I am Rehan Shah. I'm a fashion stylist and a fashion designer, and it's a genuine pleasure to be out here, and I'm really looking forward to a great evening.
So would you like to share your insights related to the fashion industry and the challenges that you face while giving some style to the celebrity? What kind of challenges one can face in this industry?
Well, honestly speaking, when it comes to fashion, I think fashion trend keep changing. So you need to be really focused, and one should style her or himself what suits her. For me, less is more. And I'm really looking forward to a great evening out here, because I'm gonna witnessing all the hard work of the students, what they have put in, and I'm really looking forward to each and every sequence, and maybe in the future I can use their garments on the known celebrities.
Wonderful. Could you please enlighten us about the parameters on which you are going to, seek shortlist the candidates?
Well, there are different categories. It's going to be different categories like a surface ornamentation. Then they're going to be like collection of the year. They're going to be different categories for each sequence. So once I witness and on the ramp, it will be much more easier for me to calculate and give the marks accordingly.
When you are looking for the students' work as a jury, what are the challenges that you face? There may be various things that various people will be doing. So what are the basics that you want the students to make sure that this definitely has to be there and then their creativity comes in?
Well, they should be true to the theme, what they're working on. So that's number one. We need to see what's the theme like, and they are closely close to the theme. So that's going to be my first thing to judge.
What is your advice to the students who are coming up now? What should they use and do?
Just true to your creativity, and rest will follow. Just true to your creativity and rest will follow. Because nowadays there's too much of talent, and I'm sure all these students must have put in a lot of hard work in their collection, and I'm so looking forward to it. So all the very best to each one of you, because you are the promising future for tomorrow.
My name is Nikita Tandon. I'm a designer from Delhi, and I have a store here in Bombay, and I do red carpet gowns collection.
How long have you been in this?
I started in 2009. My first fashion week was in 2009.
So today as a jury, you are coming as a jury.
Yes, yes.
As a jury, what are the challenges that you face while looking at different works? Might be quite overwhelming that every design is better than the other. So what are the basic parameters that you will see that these are the must and then there's a creativity?
I wouldn't use the word challenge, because honestly seeing more and more creativity is fun. And if I get to see more fresher ideas, that's nice for us also. Good to see some new talent coming up. But if I have to really judge, first thing is your basic finishing. I'm very particular about the clean styles, the finishing. And then I want to see what new textures kids have come out with. Because in India, there are so much to provide with. We are just not playing with one or two textures. We are playing with practically more than 10 different ways of manipulating with the fabric and with beading, with embroidery. So I want to see how innovative these kids can come up with that.
Your advice to the students who are upcoming, what should they use and don'ts, what should they take care of their career, some career advice?
Be very fresh with your creativity, but be very sensible with your finance.
And also, are you also getting inspired and your creativity also gets enhanced when you see some new designs and you also, how does it affect?
Absolutely. You just don't get inspired by seniors. You get inspired by fresher new kids in the town much more. So I'm actually looking forward to, I'm not going to get bored. I'm going to enjoy a lot these 20 kids here.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Sucheta Sharma James. I am a model. I've been working in the industry for last 20 years, and I'm here as a judge today. On the other side of the ramp, I have walked for Sasmira for many years, but today I'll be judging the collection of all the students, and I'm looking forward for a great time. Thank you.
As a jury, what would you suggest to the students? How should they work in terms of students?
For the students, I think they have been given a theme to work on, and we will be judging them according to the, how close they are to the theme, and the stitching quality, the fabric they have used, the designs they have, inculcated, and how much work is showing, because I'm sure that they all have been given the same time to, bring out a collection. So कितने उस टाइम के अंदर किस बच्चे ने सबसे ज़्यादा एफर्ट करके उस कलेक्शन को अपने थीम के साथ बनाया है, we will be judging according to that.
And you are looking so fit and you have maintained yourself. Some advice to the students, how should they eat and diet and exercise or something?
I always say this is the easiest thing to maintain yourself, but of course to maintain you have to bring down your weight to a manageable weight, right? So eating healthy, eating mindfully is very important. Balanced food, which will keep keep you sustainable for a long time, and there will be no ups and downs in the weight. So balanced diet for healthy skin, healthy body, healthy mind, and yes, work out every single day, because that's where you will find the most energy from. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka from Media Chem Industries. The association with Sasmira goes a long way. It's a privilege always to be associated with them. Be here for this August gathering. I wish them all the very best for all their future endeavors as well.
Your advice to the students?
Keep focused. Be focused in life. Believe in yourself. The world is yours. Never get dejected about anything. That's why I said, be focused and believe in yourself. Thank you.